Hello everyone, this is Peggy from Peggy B Designs, and today I have an unboxing for you. It is a Diamond Dotz Pretty in Pink. It's a flamingo, and there's a surprise. Let's go over the box. They have the 3 new dotting tools that everybody gets nowadays, and it is a full drill. We do everything. So there's the thumbnail. It's so cute. I mean, oh my god, they had about 4 or 5 of these, a couple of other ones that I've already got, 1 or 2 of the other ones I've got, about 3 or 4 of something else, and that was it. I was like, oh my goodness. Please tell me you're fixing to put in the latest, right? Fixing to put in the new one? Please? Don't just completely go out. Don't stop selling the Diamond Dotz, please. Okay. This fan's not wanting to sit right. But, let me know. Okay. Back to it. 32 colors for a total count of 11,672. It is 11 by 14 design size, 28 by 35.5 centimeters. For the fabric size, it's 13.8 by 17.1 inches, or 35 by 43.5 centimeters. And it is, as all, well, not all, because there are some Diamond Dots that are square, but most of them, that's, you know, $9.88 or whatever, are rounds. This one I got for $5. So either, like I said, they're making room for the new stock that they're fixing to get in. And I have seen some online. It's like, please get this one, please get that one. Has anyone seen the Diamond Dotz Farm Cottage? Oh, I want that one. It's so pretty. It's like a, it's a beautiful little cottage, and I was think it would be for spring, but I was hoping they had it, and they didn't. So I'm going to get this. I got this one, and I'm going to open it and let you see the drills and the canvas. But and it's funny. My son, he always goes to the store with me because I suffer from panic attacks, so I have to have my son to go with me. And he picked it up, put it in the buggy, and did this. Okay, where's it at? I mean, why? It squeaks. Why is it squeaking? And it's not squeaking anymore. But, yep. There it goes. I know Lazy Retired Granny's got this one. Linda, did yours squeak? Let's hear it one more time before we open it. And maybe we'll find out what's squeaking. No, it's not going to do it now. Uh-oh. There it goes. Oh my goodness. Okay. Fun's over. Let's get to opening this. My son asked me if I was going to show y'all the squeak. I said, of course. That is so funny. Okay, I don't see anything in there that would squeak. There's the canvas. Here's the drill. The inside looks Let's see, I don't know if you can see the inside. Well, you can't, but it looks normal. Anything in here squeaking? No. I don't know. That was just that was just too funny. Okay. Bet you didn't expect that in an unboxing, did you? Okay, let's check this out. Here is the instructions in 3 languages, English, French, and Spanish, for everybody that is new. And granted, if you're new, they don't all squeak. It's the first one I've got that's done that. Okay. Pull this back and get it maybe straightened out a little bit, since this is poured glue and it's okay to do it with. Oops. Come on. Get some of the kinks out. This is a pretty sort of stiff cover sheet. It does have the border that is not done. I like that. That way you don't have to worry with any washi tape. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? Yeah, like I said, I went back and forth on this one, and it's like, yeah. Well, it's the only one I didn't have of the bunch of that was in the store, so like, why not? And all of them was at $5, so it's pretty. Like I said, it has 32 colors, pretty in pink. Image produced under license from Shutterstock.com. Okay, let's look at the drills and the kit. Here is the kit. You have your boat, you have your pen with the single placer, your finger scrunchie that goes on your pen. You have a let me open it up and show you the drills. It's a 3 and 6 placer and the spacer, which for me right now it is, these is perfect for opening these. Let me show you. Where's my pen? Oh, here it is. And since we all got lows and lows and lows of these, it doesn't matter if it, but look at that. Oh, you did not see that. But just, boop. And it saves on your thumbnails, so you don't have to crack them. As you notice, that one don't have anything in it, so. But, oh, and you do have a pretty good sized piece of wax. But yep, it has a 3 and a 6 placer and another spacer. There's your things. That is the basic kit that comes with all the Diamond Dotz. Okay, oops, got to put that one in. Get in there. There you go. Okay, let's look at the drill. I'm not sure if that's a little small section, if it has any ABs or anything. I'm not seeing any special ones. Pretty orange, green. Quit sticking to the paper. Another orange. Little bit of sort of dark orange. It's like a peach color, a light blue, pretty purple, and that's a pretty blue, a beige looking, and a dark blue. Okay. This one, another pink, green, dark green, this bluish green. Looks blue in the camera, doesn't it? Pretty pink. A dark gray, orange, light green, and another green. We haven't. Oh, got 3 trains. Pretty green, another light green, medium color green. A lot of greens because there's a lot of foliage all the way around. So we've got a lot of different color greens, and flamingo is pink, so we're going to have a lot of pinks. So pretty. And nope. No specials in this one. So, it's just got the 32 colors. Tell me what you think. Have y'all got this one? It's only $5 right now at Walmart. I would think that it would be at all the Walmart, because it's probably going to be, you know, like I said, possibly putting, will you stop sticking to everybody? Putting out getting ready to put out the fall, hopefully new fall canvases. And hopefully they'll have that. I know it's probably, to me it looks like a spring one, but I don't care. I'm hoping they put it in. Because, of course, I could order it from Walmart.com, but I would like to go and pick it up. But just going to have to wait and see what they do put in. Hopefully they will. Fingers crossed that haven't bought my last one. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you would think about doing the flamingo. You sound asleep. That's so pretty. And say, oh, I'm not going to get it. No, that's not for me. But then you get it, and it's like, oh, that's so pretty. But it is. It's pretty. And he was a little squeaker to start with. I don't know what was up with that. But, like I said, let me know what you think. Let me know if you would be getting this if you haven't already. And, I will see you all in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. And until then, have a great day. Bye for now.